Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about consonant symbol W, and it's pronounced W. This is a glide, or it's also known as a labial velar approximant or a semivowel. The voicing. The W sound is voiced because it is a glide sound. When you produce the W sound, your vocal folds are vibrating as the air flows through them. Both glide sounds, W and Y, are voiced sounds. The pathway the sound travels. The W sound is a voiced labial velar approximant, which means it uses both the lips labial and velum velar for production. The production starts with sufficient respiration and the generation of airflow through the lungs. The diaphragm and intercostal muscles provide pressure for phonation. Then the air passes through the larynx, causing the vocal folds to vibrate. This is possible because the respiratory system provided energy to produce the air pressure needed for the vibration. Velar constriction and lip rounding happen next, followed by the oral cavity resonance, which filters and modulates the sound. Lastly, after all of these processes occur, the W sound exits through the mouth. The cavities. The pharyngeal cavity is fairly wide and in an open state when making the W sound. The pharynx is a resonator that modifies the sound that is produced from the oral cavity, which affects the voicing and quality of the W sound. The oral cavity consists of many structures such as the tongue, lips, teeth, and velum. The oral cavity is slightly constricted, which contributes to the sound production of the W sound. In the nasal cavity, the velum is raised to close off the nasal cavity. This stops air from escaping through the nasal cavity. Structures. The tongue is raised towards the velum but is not directly touching it so air can flow through. The tongue is one of the two major articulators. The lips are rounded and are protruding. The lips are the second of the two major articulators. The teeth are not touching and are not directly involved with the production. They are, however, important in the support and structure of lip rounding, which is crucial for the W sound. The tongue is raised towards the velum or soft palate but does not directly touch. This allows the air to flow smoothly. And then this is the diagram showing the place of articulation and manner of production for the W sound. And as you can see, it lines up with a labial and then the semivowel, which we talked about is one of the three classifications. There are three different terms.